In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Quoting on LinkedIn is a great way to share insights while giving credit to the original author. It allows you to showcase your professional thoughts and engage with your network meaningfully. Let's get started on how to do this seamlessly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official LinkedIn website. Here, you'll find everything you need to interact with your connections and discover new content. Once the page loads, sign in to your account. You can do this using your Google credentials, which is super convenient, or you can opt for your standard LinkedIn email and password. If you're prompted with any security CAPTCHA challenges, simply complete those to verify your identity and gain access to your LinkedIn feed. Now that you're logged in, scroll through your LinkedIn homepage. Take a moment to browse and find that specific post you want to quote. This post could be something inspiring, informative, or any content that resonates with you and aligns with your professional focus. Once you've found the post, it's time to interact with it. Look for the repost button located directly beneath the content you wish to share. This button is essential for quoting. It shows your intention to share this post with your own insights. When you click the repost button, you will be presented with options. Select the repost with your thoughts option to open a new text input window. This step is crucial because it allows you to add your unique perspective to the original content, turning a simple post into a rich dialogue. In the text box that appears, type out your thoughts or insights. It's a fantastic opportunity to provide value to the post by explaining why you think it's important or what lessons you've drawn from it. The aim is to engage your network and showcase your expertise and voice on the subject matter. As you're writing, remember to tag the original author. To do this, type the @ symbol followed immediately by their professional name. This will alert them that you are quoting their work and allows your connections to easily find the source of the original post, fostering a sense of community. Once you've finished drafting your thoughts and tagging the original author, take a moment to review everything. Ensure that your written insights and the tagged names are accurate and professional. It's important that your quote reflects well on you, so double-check for typos or incorrect tags. Finally, when everything looks good, click the Post button to publish your quoted content to your network and profile page. It's the moment you've been waiting for, and you're now contributing to the LinkedIn conversation. Once your post is live, it's a great idea to check your result. Take a look at your profile to see how it appears to your connections. Being active and engaging with others in this manner can really boost your professional presence. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to quote on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you elevate your LinkedIn